Hello everyone. Now let us start our next chapter, that is simple equation. Chapter 4. First of all, the word simple equation means, simple, what does simple means, right? So what is equation actually? Which contains equality sign, LHS and RHS in such a manner that LHS is always equal to RHS. So this will be named as an equation, and simple because we are not covering the complex part here. We will be covering that in class 8. Okay, so it is simple equation, so we need to have LHS, RHS followed by an equation, and there will be a variable in maybe in both of the LHS and RHS, or maybe in one, so that we will have to find that value of that variable. Okay, now let us start with 4.1 exercise. So some properties are there, like distributive property, associative property. These are all valid in equation also, in variables also, which I have taught you in first chapter. Okay, so in this first question is, an equation is given, a value of x is given, and we need to say that whether this value, if we put the value of x to be 3, then LHS is equal to RHS or not. That is whether it satisfies the equation or not. So obviously first will be no, because x, if we put 3 and 3 plus 3 will not be 0, right? Let's take the third part. In this, x is minus 3, so we will have to put here minus 3. So minus 3 plus 3, that will be 0. So it is satisfying, so answer is yes. Okay, understood? This is how you have to complete the table. It is very easy. I don't have to show this the whole table, but you will have to do it yourself. Okay, now next is question number 2, in which an equation is given and the value of the variable is also given. We need to check whether it is satisfying the equation or not, just like the previous one. So for the first part, it is not satisfying the equation. Okay, now taking the third part, putting the value of n equal to 2 in the equation, what do we get? 19 only. So it is satisfying the equation. Okay, so you have to show this solution in this question. Next is question number 3. Let's take the first part. We will have to find the value of p for which the equation is satisfied by trial and error method. Now what is trial and error method? We will take p equal to any number you choose, okay, and try to find out if LHS is equal to RHS or not. So for p equal to 0, it is clearly not. Now let p equal to 1 is also not valid. Now I'll be assuming p equal to 2, and I find that this is also not valid. Now let's take p equal to 3. We find that LHS is equal to RHS in this case. So our answer is p is equal to 3. So this is trial and error method. You don't have to always start with 0. You can take any number, you may take a negative number, you may take a positive number, you can take any number. Okay, so directly you can also take 3, but if the question demands for more than 2 marks, then you have to show at least 2 of the situations. Okay, of course this question will never be demanding 3 marks or 2 marks. It will be a 1 marks question only. So in that case, you can directly take p equal to 3. Understood? So let me know the answer of second part in the comment section. Now let us start with question number 4. Very important. We need to form the equation as per the given situation. So first situation is question number 4, first one. The sum of x and 4 is 9. So students, you need to understand that you just have to decode the English given in the question into mathematics in a simple way. I can explain that. Sum means plus, okay? Sum of what? X and 4. Yes. So sum of x and 4, and it is 9. So is means, okay, and the answer is 9. So this is the required equation. Understood? You don't have to solve this equation. You just have to form the equation first. Now listen to me very carefully. 2 is subtracted from y. So is it y minus 2 or 2 minus y? Yes, it is y minus 2. So is 2 is subtracted from y is. So is means what? Yes. Understood, students? So I'm skipping the third one, and the number, fourth is the number b divided by 5 gives 6. So b we have taken. Now it has to be divided with 5. So this is b divided by 5, and it gives means yes, equal to. So what it gives? 6. Understood? So this is how you have to make the equations out of the statements. Let's go for the 7th one. If you take 1/4 of a number x, 1/4 means 1 by 4, of means multiply, a number that was x, minus means minus, and minus is minus 4, it is given, so minus 4, gives means equal. So this is how you will find the equation. So same is the next question, the ninth question, that is you need to add 1/3 of z. So this is 1/3 of z and 3 is added and it gives 30. Understood? So this is how you need to do the question. Now question number 5 is just the opposite of question number 4. In this, the situations are given, the equations are given, and you need to form the statement. So you can say that sum of p and 4 is 15, simple, or p is added to 4 to get 15, simple. Understood? Similarly, m is divided by 5. When m is divided by 5, we get 3, simple. Or we can say in number m is divided by 5, then we get 3. Or we can say 1/5 of m is 3. In the next part, we can write that 3/5 of m is 6. Or you can say that 3 times of m is divided by 5 to get 6. Okay, so I'm writing here 3/5 of a number m is 6. You can also write that 3 times of m is divided by 5 to get 6. Okay. In the next part, we can write that half of a number p is added to 2, then we get 8. Okay. Or we can write that 2 more than half of p is 8. So there are many ways to represent this equation in the statement form, and you can do the rest of the parts by yourself. Please comment in the comment section for question number 4, 4th and 5th part, and question number 5, 6 and 7 part. Now let us start question number 6, which is again a we need to form equation from the statement. So Irfan says he has 7 marbles more than 5 times of permit. Okay, so Irfan has 37. Since Irfan has 37, so I'll write it 37, and they are asking to take number of permits marble be m. So this 37, that is Irfan's marble, is 7 more than 5 times of permit, that is m. Irfan has, that means 37 is 7 more means plus, 5 times means multiply the permits marble that we needed to take as m. So you have to write it here in statement. Okay, let the number of permits marble be m, then form this equation according to question. And the next part, Lakshmi's father is 49-year-old. So 49 is, that means 49 is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. Now Lakshmi's age we need to take as y. So 3 times Lakshmi's age means 3 into y, and he is 4 years older than this. So older means what? Plus 4. Okay, understood? Older means plus 4 and younger will be minus 4. This part you have done in your class 6. Now the third part is the teacher tells the class that the highest mark obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. So the highest marks is 87. So 87 is actually lowest marks, which is to be taken as L, twice the lowest marks, that is 2L plus 7. Simple? Yes. So tell me what will be the fourth part of this question in the comment section. So we have finished our first exercise of class 7 simple equation NCERT. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, and keep practicing.